Now that the shipment is in the Pacejet portal, you can take a look at the details of the shipment here, which includes your carrier, service, freight terms. The transaction ID equates to the shipment number in Acumatica, and the order number is the Acumatica sales order. Here, the ship from information is the information that is pulled from the warehouse you're shipping from, and the ship to, you will see the information for the customer. In order to pack these goods, that is done under the package information section. By expanding that, I can then select a box that I'll be putting these goods into, and I can hit the item packing function here. In this mode, it's drag and drop. You pull which items go into what box, select done. Now that I have the container, the contents, and the weight associated with it, I can go out and either re-rate this shipment or process it right now. So if I go out and rate this shipment, what will happen is Pacejet is now communicating to the different carriers that are set up. By default, the green tab will have your lowest selected cost associated with it. But if I chose to do so, I could change a carrier to UPS Ground or USPS in this example. I'm going to go ahead and keep it FedEx Ground for now. And when ready to process, I just select ship. The ship process sends the information back to the carrier. And as you will see here across the top, you will see the task complete here, including the key thing is printing. At this point, your label and or your packing list or other documentation should be printed out on your respective printers there at the warehouse. If I need to reprint because of a stuck or gummed up label, I can simply click on any of these items here and reprint directly out of Pacejet. Now that this is done, you can go back to the shipment page, or in Pacejet, you can go back and you can simply go into and select your next order. Ultimately, in order for this information to get back to Acumatica, there is an action called Update Pacejet Shipments, which is also hung off the Process Shipments processing tab here. So what this does is this actually shows a list of Pacejet shipments that need to be updated in the system. But if I go back to the singular shipment and run this process, what you will see here is when the process is complete, it will bring in my cost, it will bring in my freight price, and it will also generate the package contents, and it will also display for you the tracking number. Now, if at any time you need to go back out and see what happened with this, you can always go on and select the Pacejet link, which will bring you back to the rate and ship page where we started.